That's- I don't know what the hell that was. Well, I don't know. Mhm. 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 'Hey, yo, what's up, Cave Trader? You know what, man? I think I'm gonna do it, man. I think I'm gonna do it. Mm. 400 bucks though? I wonder why they have such a big price jump in the 50Ks and mm, mm. So I'm gonna try that I'm gonna try the trade C. I'm gonna buy me a Lucid account and I'm gonna use the trade C platform. It's rhythmic though, so I mean I don't think that even matters, honestly. I don't even think that matters. I mean, but I'm gonna buy it. I'm gonna buy it tonight. I'm gonna buy it. I'm gonna try it out. I just don't know what size account I should get, honestly. I'm looking at the Lucid Black accounts, but at the same time, getting paid out in 3 days means that, uh, yeah, that's probably something that I probably won't do. But I like the idea of getting paid out in 3 days. Actually, let me read the rules. Let me read the rules about the Lucid Black accounts, and I'll make my decision about it. I'll make my decision about it after I read payout objectives. I know like Top Step is very similar to Lucid Black now, or the Lucid Black accounts. You can you gotta have a 40% consistency rule. So you can't pull that big profit day and then flip contracts. 90-10 split. So it looks like the profit goal is 3K. Oh, okay. So it's a profit goal. That's kind of like Tradeovate or Tradeify. Tradeify, their accounts are like that. In order to get a payout, you need to reach a goal. So for the 50Ks, you have to make $3,000. So you just can't have 5 days and get a payout. You have to actually reach 3K in 5 days. So it's a payout goal. In 3 days, that means I can make $1,000 per day. I don't think so. Hey, trader. It has the risk settings, but I do not think it has the lockout feature yet. It's technically still in beta too. Technically. So I'll buy one account. I'm not going to go crazy in it and get like multiple. Oh, yeah. I recorded this. So I caught the bottom of this thing. I came back to my charts and saw like, oh shit, I got filled. I didn't even know silver did this thing, honestly. And was able to catch the record and get my target filled. So that was pretty cool. Baby girl. And then it has what, payout bonuses afterwards. So if I make $3,000, that means I can take half of the account. I mean, I probably won't try to let me see. So I can get it in 7 days, really. Well, 7.5. It's a bit, why watch it? I consider getting another Top Step account, but I don't know, man. I don't know. Well, I don't know. I gotta think about this. I gotta think about. I mean, I guess at the end of the day, it's gonna come down to how much it costs. So, I think I can get this Lucid Black account then. I can get the Lucid Black account. So the first two payouts. So the first payout is going to be 1,500 or three. Hold on, what? Okay, so the profit target on a 50K would be 3K. But if I get that 25K account, I mean, I only have $1,000 of drawdown. That means I'll probably lose the account in 3 trades if I. In about 4 trades, I'll lose the account. With silver, even on one contract, I'll lose the account if I'm wrong 3 times in a row. They have a bonus payout if I make more. So I can request up to 3,000. On the 2nd through 4th payout. So hold on. I can only request. So there's only 4 payouts in this cycle. So it looks like you can only take 4 payouts. Because it says 2 through 4. So I'm going to assume that means that after the 4th payout, then they're going to move you to a live account. So I would have to make $5,000 to get the $3,000. So this is basically tops. I mean, well, this is basically a Top Step account. So, I mean, I don't have to go for the 5,000. I can just get the. So I guess if I want the bonus payout, I would have to get 5,000. But if I don't get the 5,000, then I'll just get the $1,500 payout if that's the route I choose to go. Huh. Actually, you know, I have to actually ask this. They said after completing their 6th and final payout. So if you get paid out sixth and final payout. Mm. I think I'm becoming a professional trader, guys. I think I'm finally accepting that I'm a professional trader, that this is a business. I'm super reading the documentation and literally making the best decision. I was actually talking to somebody today, and you know what I told them? They asked me what I do, and I told them that I'm currently a CEO of a company where every time I make the right decision, I get paid. Every time I make the right decision, I get paid. And if I make a series of right decisions over time, then I can cash out. It really put things into perspective for me. We get paid every time we make the right decision. I was as I spoke about in the morning stream, I'm really proud of this payout. Like, I feel like this payout was definitely a test. I really do. If y'all understood, I mean, well, we're all traders. We all understand how it feels to be on the last day before a payout. and you have all that internal dialogue just going back and forth, just saying random shit like, oh, already preparing yourself for the loss, or trying to call you stupid, or it's like, man, you better get this thing, or I mean, you're a horrible trader, and blah blah blah. We have all this internal dialogue just being distracting, and having to tune all that out and focus on the setup, mixed with impatience, uncertainty. So I mean, it's just a cesspool of just emotions and all kind of stuff that these prop firms are betting on that you don't reach your goal. And I almost brute forced that payout, but I told myself that I wasn't going to do it. That I was not going to brute force this payout. I did it the right way. I waited for my setup to present itself. I had a plan. I already knew what I was going to do. I had an idea that the market may not hit my target, but that's not what the goal was. The goal was to get the bare minimum plus anything extra that the market gave me today. And I executed that perfectly. And then I took the real trade in my other account, my follow-up account, and got a big winner this morning. So I'm just really proud of my execution. Earlier, off stream, I had the opportunity to lock in that payout, but what happened was I didn't follow my rules. I tried to outsmart the market, and well, actually, no, let me take that back, because the move actually happened before I was even in front of the chart. I just walked in front of the chart as it was happening, and I didn't act. It was in my face, but I did not act. So because I didn't act, it went in my direction. And this is what happened this morning. This is what happened. I think it was at 5 o'clock in the morning or something like that. Yeah, this is what happened. First it drops. It double tops. And then it comes right back and then super drop. I thought the market was going to go a little bit higher, so I just kind of disengaged from the charts. But not only did I miss it here, but I missed it there too. It even dropped at the it for whatever reason it ran that this little range right here. So the market was just kind of playing with me this morning. I don't know why, but even though I was super frustrated, and I locked my account out until 8:40 or something like that, so I don't feel tempted to come back in after seeing all of this. I just locked my account out to 8:40 and just waited for the setup, and I'm just glad that it presented itself and it wasn't nasty to me. And facing uncertainty and stepping into those uncomfortable emotions, I feel I've taken a step forward. I'm no longer emotionally reacting to losses. I took a loss before I actually took a win. It was a winner, and it started off a winner, but then I got caught in this big stupid ass drop. I don't know what the hell happened. I really don't. It was a winner, or it happened at 7 o'clock. I'm just glad that I had I'm just glad I had my stop. I mean, because of the volatility, I lost $10 extra. Kind of pissed about that, but it was a winner, and then it just shot down. Dude, it just shot down. I don't even know what the hell was going on. I thought that we was going to at least get price to kind of come back up, but I mean, obviously in hindsight, the market was trending downward, but I thought we was going to at least get at least for it to go higher and hit my target. It didn't happen. I got caught in this stupid ass drop, and I was like, yo, what the fuck? But what I disregarded about that trade was that price was rejecting from a 1 hour fair value gap. It was rejecting from a 1 hour fair value gap right there. That's interesting. It's not showing the fair value gap. That was right there. It's not showing it. Don't know why, but let me see. Oh, because it's the stupid continuous contract. Okay. Oh, I just think that. I think the March contract actually expires today. I think this might be the last. Yeah, so I mean, there's still volume in this contract, but it's expired. So we'll see what contract that they move. I'm not going to change contracts until they do it in Top Step for obvious reasons. But yeah, let me see though. Yeah, so what I failed to notice was that the market actually tapped into this this fair value gap up here. Honestly, technically it didn't really even tap it. It just got super close to it. And price was rejecting from this fair value gap. So the hourly fair value gap at that. Or for whatever reason, it's not showing up on this chart. Because it's showing up on my other chart. Oh, that's interesting. Hold on. It's showing up on this chart. Oh, that wasn't a fair value gap. That was an order block, huh? Ah. Like, dude, what the hell? All right, so that was an order block that I rejected from. A 1 hour order block. Yeah. Hey, what's up, Tony? But right now I'm debating, so I'm definitely going to get that Trade C account. I mean, I don't mind spending money testing it out. I don't mind, because depending on, I mean, depending on how fast they develop this product or this tool, I mean, we can be exclusively lucid. I mean, I like lucid better. I like their pricing. I mean, it's obviously it's cheaper than Top Step, and oh really? Okay, that's good to know. Mm. So this is my first time hearing about Onyx. Let's look that up. Onyx, huh? So I mean, it was pretty obvious. It was pretty obvious that once Top Step made Project X an exclusive Top Step product, that there was going to be competitors building a similar product with the same features. Yeah, I mean, TradingView is not owned by Top Step at all, and there's other platforms that already use TradingView as the foundation of their quote unquote in-house trading platform. Yeah, I'm looking at Onyx right now, and yeah. Does Onyx have risk settings on it where you can lock yourself out? It says it's Project X on steroids. I just tried Onyx. It looks lit. Who else? Who talks like that? It looks lit. I really do like Quan Tower. I don't know what it is about Quan Tower, but it just makes me it makes me feel like I'm trading on a professional platform. Hmm. So you're saying that Day Traders has this account, huh? As Onyx. Hmm. You're trying to, yeah, I remember. Yeah, I remember you telling me that. Lone Wolf Motive Wave. Is that another Trading View platform as well? Okay. Well. Oh, okay. Okay. I saw that Tradeify got wealth charts. That took me by surprise. I personally just didn't like wealth charts. I didn't like it. I'm not saying that the platform is bad. It's just me personally. I just don't like how it looks. I don't like how it feels. I just don't like trading on it. But I have nothing against the platform itself. I just personally don't like it. Oh, you don't like? Yeah, I don't like how it feels, man. I feel like wealth charts. When I'm trading on wealth charts, it's, I don't know. I really don't even know what words to really use. It makes me feel like I'm on an Apex account, if that makes sense. I don't take it serious. I'm not taking it serious. I think one of the things that we have to do as traders is find the platform that puts us into a position or make us at least feel we're on a professional platform and that we are professional traders. Like as I've mentioned before, the Trading View charts or the platform that UProfit used, it was so simple. For whatever reason, because it felt so simple, I had a lot of beautiful trades. I think I've made, and I could swing the position. So I mean, I've made multiple 5-figure trades on that account. It was just so simple. It just, I don't really know how to explain. It was just so simple. I didn't feel overwhelmed by anything. I mean, it didn't even have all the stuff that NinjaTrader 8 has, like a basic ATM strategy on it. In terms of like trailing stops, you have to manually do everything. It was a simple platform, and yet I had my biggest trades on that platform. I don't like Tradeovate. I don't like how it looks, and I don't like how it feels. When I get on a Tradeovate chart, I feel disconnected. I don't even feel connected with the market. I hate it. But my trading partner loves Tradeovate. I absolutely hate it. I will always enjoy trading on NinjaTrader 8. Always. NinjaTrader 8 is always going to be the platform that I'm going to use alongside another platform. I don't think there's going to be a platform where I'm not going to use NinjaTrader 8. It just has so many tools, so many great indicators. I can project my drawings into the future for as far as I want, and it stays persistent on the chart. You can't beat that. So I will always chart on NinjaTrader 8, but obviously because it doesn't have risk settings, it doesn't have all the cool bells and whistles, and like these trading view charts have. Uh, I can't exclusively use NinjaTrader 8 now. Whenever these prop firms drop the risk settings on Tradeovate, then I can just lock out my account and trade that account on NinjaTrader 8, and then I can just stick with NinjaTrader 8. But they're being stingy with the risk settings, and I don't know why. Let me lock my risk settings out. It's available for personal accounts, so why is it not available for prop accounts? Okay. So it says that it shows it like a different account in your, okay. Motive wave, huh? Let's look at that. Honestly, maybe I should. Oh yeah, they don't have micro. Do they have micro silver at Day Trader or no? Okay. If they have micro silver over there at Day Traders, then I wouldn't. So they have micro silver? Okay. You know what? Hmm. Hmm. I better figure out what I want to do. So you know what? This is what I'm gonna do. I'm going to but I don't know why they I don't know why they did this with the Lucid Black account. Why they jump from 180 to 400? That's insane. Okay. Mm. Oh, so Lucid does that? I'm not getting a Lucid Direct account. Well, I mean, it's like, well, if I spend $200, I might as well get it, but hold on, guys, give me 1 second. So you have to have 4 trading days with a daily profit level or higher per month. So if you don't have these, if you don't have $200 in your account at least 4 days, what happens? Do you blow the account? Do you have to start over? What happens to the account? Because or you can get their new monthly plan instead of the one-time fee, and it's one time a month. They want to see more trading. Well, I guess I wouldn't necessarily have to worry about that rule. I mean, we show up to trade every day, regardless of the market conditions. We're gonna show up to trade because so the last person that I actually paid, I mean, I don't really want to necessarily call him a furu, but anyway, so he was the last person that I paid, and I just because this he was I think his course was like $5,000, I think. And he had a payment plan. I think I paid what, $200 a month for like, I think I put a down payment down, and then got how many months. I think it was like $500 or something like that. I had to pay like every month or something like that. Anyway, I will say that I learned a lot from this guy. I'm not going to sit here and say that I didn't. He provided a lot of structure. But the one thing that I didn't like about him, and what made me branch off, was that he was hesitant. I mean, there was always an excuse of why not to take a trade. Oh my God, the Fed is speaking today. We want to wait until after they're done before blah, blah, blah. Or this is coming out, that is coming out, blah, 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 blah. Now, in his defense, he's under the assumption that you're not trading a prop account and that you're trading your own money. So he's doing his best to make sure that you don't completely blow up on a volatile move in futures where you can literally lose more money than you actually put in. So I will give him that. But I'm not here to be cautious or worried about this news, this data point, that data, or this or that data point. And I'm here to make money. I'm here to put on risk. And I don't want to be bogged down by, oh man, this could happen, that could happen. You know what? I'm going to see my setup and I'm going to take it. I'm going to open a position and hope for the best, I guess, right? And that's just the one thing that I just told myself that I'm just not going to allow the market to scare me out of trading. I'm not going to be overwhelmed with fear about what possibly could happen. I've studied how the market moves during news, and I can say with some bit of certainty that yeah, we do and we have gotten real volatile moves during big news events. But I've seen FOMC, I've seen CPI, I've seen non-farm payroll, I've seen all the big boy news drop. And what I consistently saw and what I continue to see is that even though we get these wicks, they still stop perfectly at support areas and resistant areas. They'll tap it perfectly. It just happens really fast. And if you go back and look at your charts and see what happens there, well, I guess we don't really get big volatile moves anymore. But back when we did, it would touch, like, as an example, like, let's just say that this is like a level right here, and this is a level. What the market would do is it would just shoot up and tap that level perfectly, shoot back down, tap that level perfectly, run the stops, run these stops, and then make the move. That consistently happened. Consistently. And that's why, or seeing that, it's like, dude, it's not going to get no more volatile than CPI, non-farm payroll, FOMC, Powell. It's not going to get no more. It's not getting no more volatile than that. Now, I'm not saying that you should take a trade during a news event. Back when I was gambling, I certainly did, but I've moved away from that. I prefer to trade the reaction to the news now. I don't want to be in a position before the news comes out. I want to see what happens and trade the reaction. I feel that trading the reaction, you'll see more consistent results. Yep. You know, honestly, that's interesting because I wouldn't even use Coin Tower for charting. Honestly, I really don't see. I feel like Coin Towers is kind of complicated to chart. Now, I do like the fact that they got the footprint charts, so I can understand that people probably using the footprint charts and stuff if they use that, but to me, the footprint charts is just too complicated, man. And it only works for the ES. Everything else is, I mean, I don't know. I mean, if you can trade it, the footprint charts on anything other than the ES, that is impressive. That is impressive because silver, gold, Nasdaq, because of the book is so light, it's horrible. It's horrible to look at a footprint chart outside of the ES. I'm not saying that that you can't do it, but obviously if you're an ES trader, then if you're not looking at a footprint chart, you're kind of shooting yourself in the foot, in my opinion. Or you're not trading with all the information that's available to you. And I'm still debating, like I'm sitting here still thinking about which account to get with Lucid. I don't know which one I want. I want to get the Lucid Black accounts because it's very similar to Tradify. But I'm also looking at, I don't like the prices though. I kind of want to get a 150K account or a big drawdown account because I don't necessarily want to I just want to get a big account. And I hate the fact that Tradify doesn't have micro silver because I just would have done that. I don't want to get a small account. Yeah, I recall you saying that previously, Alfred. Get paid out in 3 days instead of the 5. I can do that. I can make $1,000 a day. I can definitely do that easily, especially if I trade gold. But I'll be risking $540. But if I can risk $540 on gold, I can also do that on silver and trade 2 contracts on silver instead of the 1 contract. That's kind of what I want a big account for, because honestly, I just prefer to stick with silver, honestly. I can make money with gold. Gold moves a lot more often than silver. I mean, we all know that. I mean, I can switch back and forth, but I really like trading silver better than gold. As crazy as that sounds. Ah, man. Mm. 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 Oh, you too? Yeah. I just like trading silver better than gold, man. I really do. I feel like gold kind of just moves too much. But silver is kind of, I mean, silver can be a senior citizen at times, but I just like trading silver better. I don't have to risk that much on silver. I mean, that's what I like about it. I don't have to risk that much. I don't have to risk that much on silver. I can make so much on silver and risk so little. That's what I absolutely like. He says too heavy. I mean, well, micro silver. Yeah, that big boy silver. I mean, silver has calmed down a lot, but I'm getting hit at 27. So I mean, it hasn't calmed down to the point to where an 18-point stop. But I guess if it goes back to being an 18-point stopper, then that means that it's probably not even moving for real. So I mean, I guess I don't mind going to micro silver and just maybe trading 2 or 3 contracts. But I think I'm just going to stick with I think I'm just going to stick with micro silver. Probably trade 2 contracts at the most. Catch a big move. Actually, it wasn't silver. I don't think it was silver. Was it? I don't. No, the reason why I blew that account was because I didn't take profits. But I'm taking profits now. I was kind of being stupid in that account. I was being really stupid in that account before. But now I'm just taking my profits and just locking it out. A lot of my days were green. And it's just turned red because I was being stupid. Not taking the account seriously. So, the reason why I lost that account was that I just never took the profit. And then when I did take the profits, I had convinced myself to continue trading. And it just kind of went downhill from there. But for the most part, I traded gold in that account more than anything. That account was mostly gold. I didn't start trading silver until the end of November. So from the end of November up until now, that's when I started trading silver, but it was mostly gold. Hey man, I want what I want. I want nothing less than what I want. Like I said, I can accept a loss, but regret plants regret seeds that turns into regret trees. And that's not a good feeling. So I'll take the loss every day. I'll take the loss, but I'm not going to feel regret. I'm not going to feel regret. I guess my daughter woke me up last night. I guess that's catching up to me. Up at 3 o'clock in the morning and shit. Like, man, go your little ass to bed. Shit. Yeah, she does that sometimes. I mean, like I said, she did it earlier before. I mean, she did it in my the account earlier. She took it. I was up about, I think, 100 ticks, and then she drops. She does this shit right here. I was in right here, and then it drops, stops me out, goes back up, and then super drops. So yeah, I mean, she did that shit before the stream started. I don't feel regret. I mean, I took my setup, I let the trade play out. It just didn't hit my target. It just stopped me out. So, I mean, even if I didn't get stopped out, it would have missed my target, and then it still would have dropped. So, I mean, like I said, I should have paid attention. I mean, there was like an order block right here that price traded into. I was on the hourly, and I should have paid attention to that. Actually, I did pay attention to that. I just thought that the market was going to bounce, at least kind of go up higher before it did this bullshit, but it just didn't work out this time. So, I mean, it just didn't work out. He said that's too far. That's too far. Nah, you better get the walking. You better get that damn target. Damn it. You better get the walking. All right, well. If I get a Lucid Black account, man, that would have to be, if I get a 25K, I would have to trade gold. Silver is too big. But I don't want the 50K account because I want to trade 2 contracts, but, well, okay. Well, I would have got missed. Yeah, would have missed me. Mm. 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 I'm gonna have to consider that. I'm gonna have to consider. I have to consider that. Mm. Mm. Shit, 180. Be $90. I mean, it's the same price as the Top Step 50K account. 130. Hmm. So if I get a 50K Lucid Flex account, it'll be $65. Without a consistency rule or nothing. I mean, I don't want to spend. I mean, I don't want to. I don't want to make 9K though. I don't want to make 9K. Mm. Yeah, I guess you're right. Well, it's not a guess. You are right, Alfred. That is a big component. They don't rebuild. Mm. Mm. Okay. Fine. 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 What the hell? All right, I'll get a 150K flex account then. I get a 150K flex. Hold on, you said check your what is MYM stand for? What does that stand for? Oh, micro YM? Sure. Oops. So I personally don't trade the YM. I'm not familiar with her tendencies though. The only thing that I'm familiar with the YM is that she's better for swing trading, not necessarily intraday trading. I mean, I guess you can trade her intraday, but I feel like she's better for swing traders. But let's look at her. Let's look. I mean, the technical analysis is probably still the same. So this is the hourly chart. Looks like, oh, look at that. So I think if you're using the correct fair value gap, I'm starting to see these fair value gap trades and trading at least at the 50% are really great trades. I mean, that's, yeah, look at that. Hey, look at that. You set a limit. I mean, it didn't hit the 50%, but still it tapped into this fair value gap and we saw a big move higher. Look at that. Oh wow. YM, huh? Reacting at these fair value gaps, huh? Dude, yeah, dude, I'm starting to see this. I don't know if this has always been true, but yeah, these fair value gaps are really good. They're really good, man. I mean, it makes sense because of, you know, what they're really imbalances. Obviously, the market, I mean, these gaps fills, or not fills, they represent unfilled limit orders. I mean, it was so much momentum from this order block right here that we got an imbalance. And futures love to fill gaps. They love filling gaps. That's why you'll see all kind of indicators, gap fill indicators, being sold by these furus because the market just loves it. It like the market will literally stop what it's doing, and if it needs to go back and fill a gap, it will fill it instantly, kind of like right here. You see like how it just wicked right here? The market will literally stop what it's doing and say, oh shit, we got a gap down here. So we're just gonna go down and tap it real quick, and then we're just gonna continue doing what we was doing before. That's just the futures market. Okay, so fine. So I'm gonna get a 150K flex account. I'm gonna use the trade C. Oh, so I guess you can just log into trade C itself and then use the login credentials. Hold on, guys. Give me 1 second. Hmm. All right, so I guess so I'm gonna have Tradeify. Hmm. 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 So I just got rebuild on Tradeify. Okay. All right, so just let me. I like to have all my payments come off of one card. I don't know why I got it mixed up like this, but I'm really gonna start cleaning this thing up. So I'm gonna get this account real quick, and we'll go over it before we end the stream. I was considering getting a Top Step account, but okay. And this thing asking me, dude. No way. No way. Dude, they don't got fair value gaps on this damn thing? Hmm. On the Trade C platform? Hmm. Well, I guess I'll just use quant. Well, I guess I really haven't really given this a shot yet. But this is what it looks like. Hold on, let me make sure. Yeah. Oh yeah, you can set a lockout. Okay. Or no, never mind. You can only it looks like you can only lock out. Yeah, you can circumvent the. So basically this is Project X at its initial stage. So I mean, that's what it looks like. See what kind of tick. Yeah, I got the same tick charts. You can't do custom tick charts. Yeah, that's kind of stupid. I mean, that's kind of stupid. I thought I would at least have the fair value gaps on it. Yeah, I think that's a pretty well-known indicator. I mean, this is basically Top Step X in its initial stage. I don't know who is saying that this is I guess they say Onyx is Top Step X with on steroids. Well, I mean, I don't mind this account. It's just that it doesn't have any risk settings on it, which sucks. So I mean, I guess I can just trade Quantower, I guess then. I guess I can just trade Quantower. Okay. Do I still have Quantower on this laptop? I still got Coin Tower on this thing? Why is it not showing up in my search? Seriously? Okay, I guess I'll do that later on. Okay. I guess I'll do it later on. But okay. All right. Well, yeah, this is trade C right here. This is trade C. Spent $150 on this thing. Yeah, I'll just trade it on. I'll just trade this. I'll trade this Lucid account on Coin Tower. I don't know what the heck that just was, but Coin Tower finally popped up. Okay, what is this? Upgrade available. DX feed. Rhythmic. Okay. How about that? Why she snorted you? Am I not spelling this right? Am I not spelling Coin Tower right? Because it's just not even popping up in this thing. Ah, ah. Ah, man. Oh man, I think I gotta, man. I think I have to install R Trader and sign the rhythmic agreement. Hopefully, I don't. I might have to do it. Damn it. You said a gold chart. Let's see, GC. I was actually looking for. I was actually looking to. I was actually looking to go short, but I ain't trust it, so I ain't take it. I didn't open up a position. I didn't trust this as a short. But we talked about this earlier about V bottoms and how they form trend lines that the market can use to crash the market down. So we got a V bottom. We have this trend line. We have the break of the trend line. And it looks like we'll see the market continue down much lower. Okay. So I kind of wish they would kind of be clear about lucid trading Chicago. Okay. It's like, dude, that's all I needed to know. Lucid trading Chicago. Lucid trading Chicago. Okay. Looks like I think I already got R Trader on this thing. But okay. All right, guys. I guess that's gonna be it for me then. Well, I guess I could stay on until I get this thing set up. It's not like, okay. I mean, I guess if y'all want to sit here with me while I set this stupid thing up, that's what I'm gonna do. I thought I already have R Trader downloaded on this laptop. Okay, so I already got it. Okay. Okay. I appreciate that, Tony. All right, so let's get this thing. And all right, so download the program, Quant Tower, install and run the program, open the connections. All right, so Quant Tower, connection manager, and put this at like max the speed or something like that. That was not helpful. All right, so rhythmic. So connections are integrated with third-party providers and supply blah 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 blah. So connection manager. I don't know why they. Okay, why? Yeah, I'm starting to see that now. I'm starting to see why. Yeah, I'm starting to see that. Okay. Okay. All right, dude. Dude, what the? I feel like Lucid could have made this. All right, so download the program, install and run the program, open the connections window. What the frick does that mean? Open the connections window. Okay, so I've done that. I don't know why they don't have a step by step. Like, why am I getting? All right, man. I'm just gonna keep it simple and probably just trade on this thing right here. Just keep it simple. I prefer to actually just well. Okay. So that already tells me that. Yeah, we did. Okay, all right. Yeah, just start doing shit. Yeah. You know what? I really don't like this platform. I'm not feeling it right now. I'm really not feeling it. I have no clue what the hell is going on, dude. Okay. Yeah, just start doing shit. Yeah. All right, man. Okay. All right. All right. Fucking swear, dude. Mhm. Yeah, I think this is so I did that, and it's telling me that I need to sign an agreement with R Trader or something like that. But for whatever reason, it's not working. So so you have to set up R Trader Pro for Rhythmic. I got that. I installed it. So enter your user ID and password from your Lucid dashboard. Important, select system equals Lucid Trading and not default. Choose Gateway as Chicago area and sign the agreement. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Oh. No, I'm about to lose $16. No. Please, ES, please don't do it. ES, please don't do it. Of course, Lucid Traders don't own this shit. Dude, there's like everything. Dude, what the hell? Or I probably have to update this thing or something. Because Lucid Trading probably wasn't even on this thing when. Dude. I had to update this thing probably because it's not on here. Isn't that some shit? Isn't that some shit? Okay. Good. I didn't lose $16. We're back in this, baby. Okay. Okay. There we go. Lucid Trading. I had to update this thing. That's so crazy. I had to literally reinstall this because Lucid Trading wasn't one of the options. Okay. Well, I guess I was going to say that I'm probably never going to get another Rhythmic account again, but I only had to do this once, so. And I feel kind of old. Okay. Whatever. Whatever. You just. I needed to do both. I needed to do both. Fine. Whatever. On this stupid agreement. Okay, yeah, just I believe so. Oh. I'm pretty sure all the oh, I guess we'll see. I mean, I guess we'll see because I have this is my first time using Rhythmic for Quan Tower and for Lucid. So we'll see. Yeah, I'm not feeling this Trade C account. I mean, platform. I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling it at all. It said login failed. Oh, okay. All right. Making all the rookie mistakes. This stupid thing. Okay. The last time should be the charm. This should be the charm right here. It should work this time. Gotta sign this stupid agreement and then we'll be done. Okay, there we go. There we go. We got it. We got it. We're in. We got it. We got it. Man, the prop firm space has definitely grown. It's been so long since I have to do this. Oh, what? Wow. Okay. Okay. All right. What the fuck? God damn. Okay. All right. I don't think I need to keep this open though. Hopefully I don't. Okay, let's get in the Quan Tower. Let's get in the Quan Tower. Oh, really? Hold on, you said that and you're copy trading them in Quan Tower? Oh shit! What am I doing? That's cute. Okay. All right. All right. We finally got it. Okay. We finally got it, man. Finally got it, man. Finally got it. Yeah, I can see that this platform. So, what don't I like about it? I don't like how it looks. It looks. I do not like how it looks. Don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. I do not like it. So, I'm definitely not going to trade it. Okay. What's up, gang? All right. So, SIL. All right. So, SIL. I'm not copy trading nothing. Okay, I got it. I'm in. I don't like this though. I don't like this. Okay. Okay. Okay, so I'm in. The only thing now I gotta find is the where is it how can I add indicators on this damn thing? Okay, there it is. There. Like, dude, EMA. Dude, seriously? I can only have 2 indicators at a time on this damn thing? Well, I mean, if I have 2 indicators, it has to be the 21 and the 50. Oh wow, it says it's not allowed. That's kind of stupid. That's kind of stupid. Well, that's kind of stupid. Okay, so they only let you have 2 indicators at a time on this thing. That's kind of stupid. Okay. All right. Well. Yeah. Yeah. They only let you have 2 indicators at a time. Yeah, man, I kind of hate that. I kind of hate it. I did all that shit just for nothing. Well, shit. Let me on Quan Tower. Okay. Well, okay, fine. Fine. Just to keep it simple. Just to keep it simple, I'll trade on this. Let's look at the settings. That's the candle. Background, canvas, session breaks. So. Yeah, I'm using a laptop. Yeah. Yeah, it's a gaming laptop. Got this, man. I tell you the story about this laptop. I'm surprised I bought this laptop at the right time. It was the last one that was available and it was super discounted. So it was meant for me to have this. This gaming laptop usually goes for 2,500 plus. I got this thing for $1,300, man. $1,300, and it was the last one. The last one, brand new, never used. Honestly, knowing what I know about people, I would never buy a used laptop. Never buy a used. Just think about never buy a used laptop. Oh yeah, I'm already in the account already. I'm in the account. It's just for whatever reason. Or are you allowed to have more than one indicator? It's only letting me have 2 indicators on this license, on the current license. I'm in the account. It's just that it's not going to allow me to. I can't have more than well. Nice. Wow. 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 Okay. All right. So, yeah, we got Quan Tower up, man. All right. So we're good. We're good right there. Yeah, I'm not interested in trading on this platform at all. At least not right now. At least not right now. Let me just pin this to the damn taskbar because I couldn't believe that. Okay. Um, okay, let me see how that looks. Mm, Yeah, it's saying that, yeah, I can only have 2 products at a time. I would have to buy a license, which sucks. Okay. All right, I guess that's fine. I guess I'm not gonna cry about it or nothing. Uh, I still chart on NinjaTrader rate anyway, so it's not like I necessarily need this to be. Uh, uh, so click on the chart. I just wanna. I did this already, but I guess I'll do it again. Click on the chart. Click the settings icon. Okay, I mean I did that already. Mm, mm. So I don't see it. I don't see it. Mm. Yeah, I'm gonna ask their support team tomorrow. Then I'm gonna ask. I want to turn the grid. I want to turn the grids off. Of course, it doesn't have crosshairs visible. Font, bar highlight, current chart, solid. Oh, okay, so that's a crosshair. A grid. Okay, so yeah, so okay. All right, turn that stupid shit off. Okay, cool. Okay. All right. I can work with this. Okay, cool. We can work with this. And I can switch back and forth. All right, I guess I can. Okay. All right, cool. All right, so I can switch back and forth and I think I can probably click this right here. Okay, that's cool. I can deal with this. I can deal with that because I think I can. Okay, cool. All right, cool. I can switch back and forth between just by clicking this or trying not to click on that. No. Mm, okay. All right. I can live with that. I can live with that. I can live with that. That- So I can just switch between them both like this. Cool. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. So we got Quant Tower set up. I'm going to trade on Quant Tower. I'm not trading on that trade C account. I'm not going to do it. I don't like it. I don't like how it looks. I do not like how it looks. But I like how this looks. So I guess that would make sense, right? Mm, okay. Okay. Well, all right. I guess I really don't need the time and sales. I mean, I think the time and sales just make it look cute, right? But it's not like I use it or nothing. I think with the Dom will probably be a better. This was the glory days with silver. The glory days. The glory days. 18 tick a stop, 18 tick stop, a 135 tick target. Ah, man, these were the glory days right here, man. Can't do this shit no more. Can't do this shit no more. Okay, cool. Okay. All right. So we got it set up. We got Quan Tower set up. Got it set up. And I can switch between Quan Tower and this. All right. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Cool. All right, guys. Dang, it's 11 o'clock. God damn. My God, the time flies, yo. Okay. No, I mean, I should have. They only give you, so Lucid only gives you a you only have a rhythmic credentials. So I mean, I logged into it correctly. My account shows up, but I'm going to reach out to their support team tomorrow and see if I may have missed something. I mean, you could be right, bro, kid. I may have done something wrong because I only have two indicators, which is ridiculous in my opinion. But I mean, I'm not really charting on Quan Tower at all. I'm not charting on this thing. The only thing that sucks about this is that I don't have the it's not like a P&L. It's not a place for like the P&L or anything on this thing. So um I mean that's just the only thing. So yeah, it's not like a P&L or anything on this. Okay, cool. All right. I think that's about it. That's good enough. Okay, yeah, that's good enough. All right. Actually, yeah, I think I did that. Yeah. Mm, I think I did that. But okay. All right, that's gonna be it for me tonight. That's it. I'm gonna go to bed. All right, I do appreciate everybody that joined me tonight. Uh He said, nope, I'm on rhythmic. All right, let me disconnect then. No, I mean, let me do this real quick. No, I'm on Lucid. I'm on rhythmic. Lucid Trading. Lucid Trading Chicago area, so I'm on Lucid. So is there something else? I mean, yeah, I know the connection is rhythmic, but yeah, I mean, you said you think there is a Lucid on the left. Okay, so yeah, this is the one I was this is the one I was on. Yeah, this is the one I was on right here. Okay. All right, well. Okay. Ah. Y'all guys are right. You guys are right. It's totally different. You're right. I was mistaken. Y'all guys are right. All right. Appreciate the help though. He says in the upper right, it just says, okay. All right. So I'm connected to Lucid Trading now, but it says there's no connection though. It says there's no connection. Okay. Mm, it's no connection. What do I do? Okay. I wonder if I have to. I wonder if I have to. All right. So I'm connected. You know what? I'm probably not connected to the. So it has my funded futures, but it doesn't have. 'Cause. 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 'C So it's my funded futures, but it doesn't have. Well, let me see. Let me see. Yeah, there's no data to display. Okay. Okay. All right. So my Lucid is connected. All right. So let's disconnect and then see if reconnecting it will fix it. Usually that fixes things when you just give it a good old reset. Okay. All right. So I got Lucid trading. Okay. Mm. All right. So it's connected, but for whatever reason, it's not showing up here. Okay. So I don't know. Oh, yeah. All right. So it should be connected. No data to display on. Check your connection and or symbol availability. No data. Okay. Well, I guess. Mm, yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's what I did. Oops. All right, there it goes. Well, all right. So let's see if we can add more EMAs to this thing real quick. Let's see. They got fair value gaps. We got to put the fair value gaps on. We got to put the fair value gaps because fair value gap is okay. Uh, what? Expand gap. Or dude, I don't know what the hell this thing is talking about. Um, dude, Quant Tower, come on. You don't have to be this. You don't have to. You don't have to. You don't have to do that. You don't have to be this way. Actually, I think instead of doing ticks, I should do like a 5 minute or something like that. Okay, what the hell is going on with this? What the hell is this, man? Dude, okay. All right. All right. I appreciate it, everybody. Yep. I don't like how honestly I don't like how don't like how they look on this thing. I don't like how it looks. I really don't. I don't know why they're trying to be cute with it and just make it just like a regular gap. Just show me where the gap is. You don't have to be, cute about it. Uh, okay. Mm. I guess for right now, I guess I'll leave it on there. Fine. I mean, I'll mm, okay. All right. Well, no, I don't like it. I don't like it. That's just too much. Okay. Like I said, I don't need the chart on this. Okay. All right. Cool. All right. Cool. 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 What's this? All right. Okay. So we're good. This is good enough. This is good enough. I can switch between both of them. Mm, mm. I just don't like that. Like, why is it doing this? Why is it doing that? Okay. All right. That's good enough. All right. That's good enough. I'll just put one more EMA on this. We already know what EMA we need. Just need one more. Actually, two more. We need an EMA and we need VWAP. And that's all I need. I don't need anything cute on this, just my EMAs. That's all. All right, just make this gray. Make that. Okay. Go back to my ticks. 144 ticks. Okay. And one more indicator, and that's VWAP. VWAP. Of course, they don't got it. Okay. All right. All right. That's it for me tonight. It says, or click on the upper circle, left circle, then go down to the pink. It says click. It says click on the upper left circle, then go down to the pink section and click exit. Okay. Okay. All right, guys. That's it for me. I appreciate all the help with setting this up. I feel like I needed a damn degree, but we got this thing going. And so now we got Quant Tower and now we have Project X. The only thing about this is that well, like I said, when I'm trading on Quant Tower, I feel like I feel like a professional. I don't know why. Quant Tower makes me I feel like a professional, so I only take professional setups when I'm trading on Quant Tower. Do 54 ticks. Okay. All right, so buy stop Blah, blah, blah. 18. Okay, don't show me that again. Place order, request, total quantity. Oh no, I can't. I mean, that can't be true. Okay, so mm. Dude, okay, so now it's just something new now. It's like now my bracket order is not. Okay. Now my bracket order is being stupid now. Or maybe okay, I didn't save it. Still, it's still not doing it. Mm. Yeah, it's not doing it. Yeah, okay. And that's frustrating. I guess I'll figure. Okay, I'm done. I'll figure this out. Ticks. Hold on. Okay, what the hell's going on? Oh, these are profit targets. Oh, okay. So these are profit targets. Oh, okay. I don't really care. You said there's a backup feature with Quantower? Yeah, it looks like I'm gonna have to just really I'm gonna have to really okay. Yeah, tell me about it. My God. Uh, okay. Yeah, I'm gonna have to figure this thing out because this I'm about to go to bed. But all right, everybody. I'm going to bed for real. Damn, it's 11:30. God dang. Dang. Okay. I guess I'm not getting no sleep tonight. But all right. I do appreciate everybody that stayed with me tonight because we are definitely over time. I do appreciate everybody that helped set this up, and we'll use this moving forward in this account. We'll definitely come back tomorrow morning, and we'll definitely look for more opportunities to earn some more money. And with that said, peace out, everybody, and keep on jabbing.